Oh my goodness. I can't sleep. Okay. Are you scared? William, there's William. William. We're going for a shipyard ride.
That's what we called her. We knew she'd be the largest passenger ship in the world, but we didn't call him beginning. I watched the ship right through the keel. You had to bend them more than you needed because the frame straightened out a little when it cooled. The shell plates that made up the hull weighed up to 4.5 tons. They were taller than the da. The plates were overlapped on the edges. Some were weak. And the shipwrights were knocking away the last props. They were under compression, you see.
Found the captain. Found Bella. Dami sinasabi ni Chef, gutom na ako.
From the boat deck, 3 or 4 decks down. Frankly, I'm never...
I feel like crying.
We threw them in.
Effective one. Never had official recognition. I think that's where he exercised very excellent judgment. So he'd call CQD and then follow immediately with SOS. Then he kept that up every
Yes, my stateroom had a door leading to the promenade deck, and as I got out on the promenade deck, I saw a large
iceberg. I know you struck something, I told him, not thinking it anything serious.
We're around the Titanic Hotel. We're just kind of like touring around, so. Soup wasn't actually here. She served it with like just green leaves and then she poured in the soup inside. Very aesthetic. Too bad I didn't get it. Nakakain ba to?
Oo, yung bulaklak. Ganito kakain pag buto. Yan, nakataas yung pinky mo yan. Ang amoy Lucky Me.
MSG. Di mo ka magugutom pa ata tayo nito.
Tingnan mo, 2 pieces lang ng duck. Ano to? Parang 2 subuan lang ni Angelo. Dami mo alam. Pwede ba kainin itong flowers?
I'm actually